Welcome once again. In today's video we will discuss a methods from the chapter of index number. There are so many methods to construct the index number. Simple index number is one of them. As the name of this method is written, it's a very simple method to construct the index number, and I should say it's a beginning of the index number is over there. So in today's video we will discuss a methods that is called construction of simple index number. We are having two type of methods in simple index number. One is called direct method, simple method, and second one is called chain based index number. So in today's video we will learn how to construct the simple index number. There are two methods to construct the simple index method. The very first method is called simple aggregative method. So in aggregative age, the age in method is written, so it depends on the totals. It means just using the total we will calculate the index number. This type of the index number will call simple aggregative method is over there. One more is simple average of price relative method. Second method is simple average of price relative method. As in first method is written, simple aggregative method, it means only on behalf of the total we will calculate the index number, that is called simple index number. Second one method, that is also a method that is called simple average of the price relative method. On the behalf of average we will calculate the index number. One may be, first one is fixed year base, that may be fixed year best index number, and that may be average price index, price based index number. So in today's video we will discuss only one method of index number. This method is called the simple index number. So we are having simple index number two types, first one simple and second one is chain based. So we will discuss chain based index number in our next video. In today's video we are having two methods related to the simple aggregative method. It means this is dependent on the total, and second one is simple average of price relative method. So that index number may be based of the fixed year base, it may be having, or it may be having average base price index is over there. So today we will do the one questions of all two methods. The very first I am having simple aggregative method. Then later we will discuss another one thing, that is first one is simple aggregative method. Age aggregate depend. So this method is dependent on the aggregate or total. So we are having the index number P1 is equal to sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 multiplied by 100. To solve this index number, I have taken an example. Here the production of the price of wheat per quintal is given. In 2021 per quintal price of wheat is 240, price of gram is 300 rupees, price of rice, RICE, rice is 540, arhar 480, moong, urad, masoor, the price per quintal is given. The price in 2022, 242 increased 270, 300 to 330, 540 to 600, 480 to 570, 550 to 480, 690 to 780, or etc. In 2023 also the price increased 270 to 300, etc. So we have to calculate the price index on behalf of, this is base year, first one is base year. So we are to calculate the price index on behalf of the base year, that is 2021 On the behalf of 21, we are to calculate the price index of 2022 and 23. So the formula for this is P01 is sigma price, sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 multiplied by 100. So P0 is base year price and P1 is current year price. So on behalf of this first one, we are having that is sigma P1 and sigma P0. So for 2022, that is 360 multiplied by 3600 multiplied by 3000 multiplied by 100. So 3600 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100, 1 to so that is 120. It means the average price increases from 2021 to 2022 is 20%. For similarly for P01 for 2023, we will having sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 multiplied by 100. So simple aggregative index number goes to 100 to 120. Now in 2023, 4200 divided by 300 multiplied by 100, 3000, this and this 140. So the price again the 20% increases from 2022 to 23. Suppose in 2024, we suppose this price increases to 360, this increases to 400, this increases to 700, this increase also 700, this may be increased 660, this have increases 1 to 1000, and this may be 750. So for this 2024, what will be the price index? Firstly, we will getting the total 360 plus 400 plus 700 plus 700 plus 660 plus 1000 plus 750. So we are having 4570. So for getting this, for 450 already we have calculated, so I am deleting this. P01 for 2024, that is sigma P1 divided by sigma P0 multiplied by 100. So that is 4570 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100. 20 to 20 cancel. 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 2 ja 6. So 152.33. 457 divided by 3, that is 150. Okay. So in this way, we can easily calculate simple aggregate method. In simple aggregate method, we doesn't require anything. Only we just want the total of these. This is sigma P1. This may be sigma P2. This may be sigma P3. You can write out P1, no problem at all. The result will be same. So I think you may haven't any problem in simple aggregative method. Very easily we can calculate the index number with a simple aggregative method. Just we have to use the total. Firstly 3600 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100, then 4200 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100, then 4570 divided by 3000 multiplied by 100. Because our base year is fixed. If base year is moving, that kind of the condition we will discuss in the chain based index number, not in simple index number. Okay. Now the second method of this, that method for the simple, second method for the simple index number, which we have right, that is simple average of price relative. Second method, simple average of price relative method. As I have told that this method have two types. One is fixed and fixed base. Second one is average based. First one, suppose our first index number is over there. So using this base, that will be called the fixed base index number. Or secondary, if we are using the average price of the commodity, 6-year average price, 8-year average price, then that will be called the average price index number. So there already I have discussed fixed year base index. So that will be sigma P0. That is sigma P1 but a sigma P0 multiplied by 100. This will be called the simple price index number, simple average of price relative method. For that, current year price divided by base year price multiply 100. So P01, that is current year price, multiply by base year price, divide by, multiply by 100. And second method for that is average base. So in that such kind of the condition, R is equal to relative, price relative, R is equal to sigma P1 but a sigma P average multiply by 100. It means in each of the item we will divide with the average. So we can write this R is equal to sigma P1 but a sigma P x bar multiply by 100. So P1 is the current year price, P x bar is the average price. So this method is called simple average of price relative method. We should having a one question related to this. Suppose the question is given. Suppose we have given a question that is 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Price is given 400, 500, 450, 550, 650, 1050. So this index number we can having on the two base. One base is, so we have to calculate the relative. We have given this index number. I am writing year is given 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. Price is given 400, 500, 450, 550, 650, 1050. First I am having that is fixed base. First we are calculating that base year is 2018. Suppose our base year is 2018. So we will having first one indicators and then index. So having indicator, calculation and price relative. Okay, I am having calculation and price relative. First we are having 2018 as a base year. Now average price is a base year. So calculation and price relative. First one, we suppose this is our base. So this relative we suppose is 100. So 500 divided by 400 multiply by 100. 450 divided by 400 multiply by 100. 550 divided by base year price multiply by 100. 650 divided by base year price multiply by 100, and 1050 divided by base year price multiply by 100. 500 divided by 4, that is 125. Okay. 450 divided by 4, that is 112.5. 550 divided by 137.5. Now 650 divided by 400 multiply by 100, that is 162.5. Next 1050 divided by 4, that is 265.5. 262.5. So for price relative method, we are having two types of the price relative method. One is fixed year based. So suppose 2018 is a fixed year based. So the calculation, this is equal to 100. So 500 divided by 400 multiply by 100, because this is fixed. Now 450 divided by 400 multiply by 100, 550 divided by 400 multiply by 100, 650 divided by 400 multiply by 100, 1050 divided by 400 multiply by 100. Second one, if average price is to taken, so very first we have to calculate the average of this, because we are to calculate the average price. For getting the average, 400 plus 500 plus 450 plus 550 plus 650 plus 1050. So total is 3600. So average is 3600 divided 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 120. That is 600, sorry. So here now new one is base year price, that is 600. In 2018 that was 400, but now it's 600. So first one is 400 divided by 600 base year multiply by 100. Then 500 divided by average price 6. Then 450 divided by 600 multiply by 100. Then 550 divided by 600 multiply by 100. Then 650 divided by 600 multiply by 100, and last one 1050 divided by 600 multiply by 100. 20 to 20 cancel. So first one will be 400 divided by 6, that is 66.67 relative. 500 divided by 6, that is 83.33. 450 divided by 6, that is 75. 550 divided by 6, 91.67. Relatives, 650 divided by 6, that is 108.33, and 1050, 175. So these are the linked relatives. With the help of this, we can calculate the simple index number. The very first question we have done, that is called simple aggregative methods. In that method we have to use only the totals of price, base year price, current year, 1 year, 2 years year we have taken. 2021 is a base year, 21 and calculated the index number for 21, 22 and 20, 22, 23 and 24. Similarly, in this methods we are having two types. One is base year, that is fixed base year. We have assumed that 2018 is base year. We may be assumed 2020 also, no problem at all. The similar there will be if we will keep base year 2020. So then on this behalf of 400 we will divide each and every item with 450 each over there, any of the base which you can be having the as a base year. In second, we have total this and getting the average. The average is 6, so this is the price relative method with the average as a base year. So base year can be changed. In second method we have done that average price is a base year. In first we have assume that 2018 price is a base year. That base year price can be changed. If we suppose that our base year will be 2019, then we will use every 500 divided by, in at the place of 400 we have to write 500 because the base year 500. So I think with the help of this video, easily you are able to construct simple index number. Thank you.